Hi friends, today we'll discuss multiple window handles. These multiple window handles, multiple window handles, what is the purpose of multiple window handles, what is the main reasons of main advantages of multiple window handles, discuss this video. Thank you for watching. For now, thank you for watching and please subscribe and support me. And so many web based multiple windows are there. So many multiple windows are there in the same, and I will click it and I will click it and will so many windows are there. How to back window, how to front window, how to second window, how to third window, how to handle these types of windows. I want three. I want this window. I want this window. How to move that automatically? How is a write? How to script write this automatic, how to automatic in Selenium syntax, how to automatic write the Selenium syntax. I will show it and I will write the some code. And first of all, import that Java util array list package. After system.launch browser and enter that particular URL. Don't worry, I will provide description. You check it out. And driver.find element by dot button 2, click it button 2 and click it button 3, and to click the window button 2 is opened and button 3 open. Present 3 windows are opened, and that time our array list, I will create array list object, array list string data type, and windows is a object name is equal to new array list driver dot get window handles this keyword, this method perform an action, that particular action, and window info driver dot switch dot info window that particular window object name, get it, and 0 to get 0, the time is 0 window is displayed. Let's run this program and to understanding more. And launch browser and open first window, third window, open second window, fourth window, and open 0 window. Okay, you understand that? And first we will write 2 windows and 0 window is displayed. After 0 window is closed. Okay, let's one more time run this time. 0 is the first window. 0, why first window is 0 as index value is 0. 0 index value is 1. 0 is index value is 1. I will get it second window. I want second window. I will providing 3 index value. The value is not printed because that window is no more. 3 is a no, but not index value is 3. Only 3 windows are there. 1 is 0, 2 is 1 is 0, 2 is 1, 3 is 2. Okay, let's write 2. 2 is a 3 window opened. Okay, let's run this program. Window 3 is opened. I want window 3. I want window 3. Window 3 is opened, and window 3 is also open. This is the window handle we want, this type of window handle. And thank you for watching and please subscribe my channel. Thank you.